everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's a bright weather out. I hope it's the same where you are. Okay, so without wasting our time, today we're bringing you one of our usuals, which is how we made this. All right, so this is a lacy dress shirt. You could call it a lacy dress, a lacy top. Yeah, you can wear it with we made this one to be a really short one. All right, so you can pair it with leggings, you can pair it with jeans, or if you're feeling really good, you can just wear it as is. It's short, it's way above the knee, but it's very, very beautiful. So how did we make this? Before I continue, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. We bring you brand new videos on a weekly basis. If we're not inspiring you, showing you all the possibilities of crochet, we are showing you how we made one of our bespoke pieces, or we are demystifying one of the other pieces not made by us but one by celebrities. So yeah, all of that you can find all up in our on the different folders in our on our YouTube channel, right? We have our galleries up on Instagram. For our wedding day apparel, we have them at Makisode Weddings, and for our corporates, casuals, accessories and the like, we have those on Makisode Models. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, do well to follow us on Instagram, like our videos, you know, place a nice comment there, share our videos, share. So let's dive in. This dress was made in four parts and in panels, right? We made the front panel and then we made the back panel. So okay, usually we start with the back panel because the back panel determines the length of the dress. All right, and the reason for that is that we usually skip a few rows on the front side to just give it that leap, right? So just to make it a little bit more, yeah, sassy, the back side has to be properly covered, of course, and then of course the front can just skip or jump just a little bit. All right, so that's what we did here. So about 2 inches above the length or below the length of the back panel, that's what we made. That's how we made the front panel. Now what else did we do? We used two different colors. All right, the colors royal blue and white. All right, so back panel first, right? You choose your lace design of choice, whatever lace design that you like, right? You measure that against the multiples of stitches used. Yeah, in this one, you know, I had to modify to suit, you know, the width of the dress that I was the width of this dress. If you notice, here's the design, right? That's the design right there. Okay, you have these football like design right there, right? Yeah, in between that you have this spider like looking thing, and then you have a mesh border, right? So you have the mesh border, you have the football looking thing, and then you have the spider looking thing. All right, so yeah, we did that. You choose the right hook size, choose your yarn type, and then get to work. So that's what we did essentially. We worked the back panel first. Of course, you'll be using the measurement of the widest part of the individual's body, in this case the hip. All right, so we used the measurement, the hip measurement to work this. We worked the back panel all the way up, right? And then we worked the front panel, like I said, 2 rows below, or yeah, this wasn't 2 rows below, this was like 4 rows below, but 2 inches above the back panel to give it this step, right? And then up here, of course, you're going to also skip a few. You're going to skip a few around the neck region, right? So that you can create this shoulder side before you join. All right, so after creating the front panel, naturally we join the shoulders, right? We join the shoulders. We sewed the shoulders together, yeah, with a yarn needle, sewed the shoulders together. And then for the sides, what did we do to join these sides? First thing we did was that we bordered both panels with a single crochet, with a single crochet row. You can see that in white. The dress is actually blue, so but we now bordered. We used single crochet stitches to create a border around on the sides of the panels. We did that for both panels, and then of course we did our joining. To join both, we surface stitched into the back loops of the two single crochet rows, yeah, on this side and that side. The back loops, pick the back loops and surface stitch like that. That's what we did. That's what gave it this sporty look, right? Then we went on to work the sleeves. Sleeves is worked in the same pattern, but of course with finer yarn, meaning thinner yarn, yeah, right, or less bulky yarn. So that's what we did with that. So we made it a little wide so that it's a full sleeve. Wanted a full sleeve. We did that and then snatched it up here at the wrist with single crochet rows. About 3 single crochet rows should snatch it up nicely using the individual's wrist measurement. So that you need to also take. So essentially the measurements required, like I said, the widest part of the person's body, the length of the dress you want to make, because this dress you can actually make it all the way to the ankle, make it all the way to the knee if you want, and you can also make it into a tank top if you want. So you choose whatever it is you like, and you know, crochet, there are no boundaries. Do what you will, and at the end of the day, trust me, something beautiful and amazing comes out. So the length of the individual sleeve, right, usually depending on what you choose, you could choose to measure from the armpit to the wrist. That helps, right? Or the other way around, you can use the back shoulder measurement here and then determine that, you know, because you're going to be measuring from the wrist, from one wrist to the other wrist, and work with that measurement. And then of course the width around the wrist would work so that you can always pinch this up nicely. So that's what birthed this really beautiful dress. And then we now edged with our famous chains and slip stitch edging. Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's really all. You can do a lot more if you want. You can use just one color for the dress. You can use as many colors as you want. You can use variegated yarn if that is what appeals to you. You can use different colors for the panels, different colors for the sleeves. Essentially just do you. All right. Is there any part of this video that's not quite clear? Do let us know in the comment section, and we'll do our best to bring forth an explicit explanation, right, for that part. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.